tropical cyclone formation is not expected during the next 5 days. At 3:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Lopeno, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Winds in excess of 40 miles per hour will be possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Lopeno, New Falcon, Falcon Dam, Morales-Sanchez, Salineno, Falcon Heights, and Falcon State Park. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service office in Brownsville. 88 degrees. Through 5:30 p.m., scattered showers and thunderstorms will continue to develop through this afternoon and move southwestward. Locally heavy rainfall, gusty winds, and frequent to occasional lightning is possible in any thunderstorm. The forecast for the Laredo area